Hi everyone. So today we'll be doing this easy level problem called Kadanes algorithm. So we are given a function that takes a non-empty array of integers. So it takes an array and returns the maximum sum that can be obtained by summing up all of the integers in a non-empty subarray. So what they're asking you is you need to find the highest subarray, highest sum of a subarray. And the subarray must be such that all of them must have adjacent. It must only contain adjacent. So over here, 3, 5, minus 9 is one example of a subarray, and 1, 3, minus 2 is one example, and 7, 2, 9, minus 6, 3, 1, 5, minus 4 is again one more example. So these are all subarrays, and the subarray has to be continuous. Like you can't take one number from here, one number from here, one number from here, and yeah. So that's how the subarray. So and the second thing is you must find one subarray that contains that has the highest sum, that can contain the highest sum. So in our case it is from here one, from here see 1 3 1 3 minus 2 to over here 6 3 1 1. So if we sum all the numbers between these both, you will get 19. This is the highest subarray. So if it is, so the thing in this problem is if it only contains positive numbers, it's easy to find out, right? So, but if it contains negatives, so that's where the challenge is. So, for example, so if we have something like 1, comma 10, comma 3. So if we have an array like this, and the maximum a subarray for this answer is 10 plus 3 plus 1, right? So 14 is the answer. But if you make this minus 10, then it's too big. So one, so 3 should be the answer for this one, right? Because if we, even if you take 1 and minus 10, it will be minus 9. So this negative numbers cause a problem. So if it is minus 2 also, so the numbers have to be continuous. So it is just 3. So how are you going to solve it? So there is one very easy method to solve this one. So what we are going to do is, so we have this array, right? And we need to find the subarray. So there is a simple trick to find out. So we use dynamic programming for this one. So so what we do is we will have one variable. So that variable will call as uh, some that variable will call as max ending here. Okay, so max ending here. So what we do is, so this, for this the formula is, so max ending here is equal to, I'll explain what this one is. So it is maximum of, so it is the maximum of max ending here, uh, max ending here, here plus num. Okay, and just max ending here plus num, or just num. So now initially we'll start with this one. So the maximum number ending here is 3, right? So next for this one, the maximum ending here, so maximum ending is here is 3 and then this new number is 5. So we'll have 3 plus 5 which is equal to 8. So now this 8 is greater than 5, right? So now we add 8 over here. Now again, now for this one, it is maximum ending here plus num. So maximum ending here is 8 and plus num is minus 1. So so we get minus 1. So we get minus 1 here and this number is minus 9. So which one is the maximum? Minus 1. So we add minus 1 here. So and then next we do the same thing here. Maximum ending here plus number. So maximum ending here plus number is 0. But this number is 1, so we add 1 over here. So next the same thing. Maximum number 1 plus 3, it is 4. Okay, 4 is greater than the number, so we put 4 over here. Next, 4 and minus 2 is 2. So next, 2 is greater than minus 2, so we put 2. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. We put 5 because 5 is greater than 3. Next, 5 plus 4 is 9. So we put 9 because 9 is greater than 4. Next, 9 plus 7 is 9. It's 7, yeah, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. And next, 16 plus 2 is 18. So 18 is greater than 2, which is num. So put 18. So next, again, 18 plus number is 9. 9 is greater than minus 9, so we put a 9. And next, 9 plus 6 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this 15 and then uh, what is 15? Yeah, so 15 comes here. So next, 15 plus 3 is 18. Then 18 plus 1 is 19. Okay, next 19 minus 5 is 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. But 14 is the maximum. Is 14 plus 4, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is that, 17 is, yeah. So the maximum number which has to be returned is 19. So 19 is the answer as mentioned here. So this, so we just, in order to keep track of these numbers, we will just keep one more number, uh, one more variable called, it's not very easy. Okay, we'll just keep one more number here called max so far. So we'll just keep, so whenever we get this max so far is equal to maximum of max ending here, comma, max so far. So with this, we can keep track of these numbers. So every time, so max ending here will be initialized to array of 0 and max so far will be initialized to array of 3. I mean array of 0 only. So now when we are iterating, we'll compare this one and then we'll keep storing whichever is the maximum value. So for example, this will get first get 3, next it will first get 8, next 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, it will go on until 9. So yeah, that's how this variable will keep getting updated. So yeah, we just iterate this one and then in the end we will return max so far, since this will contain 19 and 19 is the output which we want, which is the highest sum, very sum. Okay, let's code that. So first thing, like I said, I'll declare two variables, int max ending here is equal to array of 0. Next, int max so far is equal to array of 1. Next, we iterate the for loop for, so this will also be array of 0 only. So for int I is equal to 0, I it should be is equal to 1 because already we should start from 1, right? Because 0 0 we already assigned. I is equal to 1, I less than array dot length I plus plus. So max ending here is equal to math dot maximum of max ending here plus array of I, comma, so max ending here, max so ending here plus array of I, which is this number, comma, array of I, which is num is nothing but the current number, array of I. So now max so far is equal to math dot max maximum ending here ending max so far. Max so we should return this max so far. So let's run. Okay guys, so this is the code which you're going to do. So since throughout this one that the space complexity will be O of n, because we'll be treating through this array only once, and space complexity will be O of 1, because you won't be creating any extra spaces here. So I hope you have understood this one. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching.